When I was a little kid, I would go to 7-Eleven, Costco, buy a bunch of candies in bulk for super cheap, go to my school and classes, and start selling them for more money. That right there is a great way to invest your money. Start buying things in bulk, sell them at retail. I actually met my best friend selling candy bars. He's a big guy, and I was in 7th grade and I was really small and scrawny, and I looked at him like, okay, this is my 2nd week of school. I need to assemble my squad. This guy looks like he's a big mogul here and everybody's scared of him. Let me gain his friendship. So I would throw him a few Snickers bars, Twix in class. I used to give him the candies for free, and the other candies I would sell at a profit. And I actually was running a full-time business while in school. I was the plug for snacks. So if you ever wanted your candy fix, come to Zach right around the corner of the locker. I'm there at 12 p.m. or 2 p.m. Take your hall pass. Let's buy some candy. And then people would make requests when I didn't have any, like, yo, you got the crunch bar? I'm feeling crunch today. Like, all right, I got your request. I'll get you in a couple days. And I'll run my rounds. And I developed the business so much where I bought so much candy, I had people working under me where I would give them a certain amount of candy and they would go and come back to me with the candy or money, and I would pay them out a small percentage of the profits. This is a great business. I don't know if you should do this. If you're a kid watching this, I don't know what the rules of your school is or what the laws are in your area, but this is what I did when I was a kid. Obviously, I'm saying this because it's only $1,000. If you want to make a bigger business, you're probably going to need more money. There's obviously what's hot right now is Amazon FBA, Shopify drop shipping, drugs. Just kidding, don't do drugs. But those would probably take a little more than 1,000 in my honest opinion. Like FBA, I think you need at least 3 grand. Just being realistic. I haven't done it, but I was gonna do it at one point. I started doing the math. Okay, exactly how much money I need. It was a lot more than $1,000. Drop shipping, you might be able to get away with 1,000 to start with, but ads might start eating more and more into your budget. So for someone watching this who doesn't really have much experience, I think the most logical and easiest way to turn that 1,000 into 10,000 is to just buy and resell things for more. You can scale it from candy bars all the way up to houses or cars like I did. It's the same concept. It's all arbitrage. So watch that video if you haven't already. And that's how I would invest my first $1,000. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I try to respond to every single one of them. And until the next time, see you in the next video.